What's going on? Today I will be talking about Baby Shark token. This is a community-driven cryptocurrency focused on cleaning up the oceans. So this token is on the Binance Smart Chain, and it is based on the classic children's song, as you may know, which is Baby Shark. So Baby Shark aims to provide novel, deflationary tokenomics that reward the community, while also partnering with nonprofits focused on cleaning up the ocean by using the decentralized funding. So they do have a 11-page white paper on their website. So let's take a look at that here. So once again, the Baby Shark token is a community-driven, audited, secure, and autonomous DeFi protocol, harnessing the power of the classic children's song. They're focused on developing platforms for ocean restoration and the conservation of marine life. And this is a carbon neutral cryptocurrency. Every transaction generates funds to help rescue the oceans. And they have been audited by TechRate, which if you're interested in looking at the audit, it is available in their white paper. You just click here and it will let you download the results there. So these are the tokenomics, or as they call it, Sharkonomics. So we have 20% was burned at launch. There is an 8% tax on every single transaction, 3% distributed to holders, 3% locked away in liquidity pool, and then we have a 2% for donations and development. So 1 quadrillion total supply, which is locked liquidity. The low liquidity pool for the Baby Shark token, accounting for 70% of the total supply, was locked at launch with our partners at DXSale. And the locked liquidity is on PancakeSwap v2 for a period of 1 year. So after 1 year, the liquidity will be relocked for another 1 year period, barring any changes in the PancakeSwap. So this is their project outline here. So by utilizing the 2% tax for our charity and development fund effectively, Baby Shark token will become a revolving door of value and charity for years to come. So a minimum of 50% of the funds will always be donated to nonprofits and organizations' efforts to clean up the ocean. So these are some long-term goals here. So they want to be listed on exchanges, which will increase the volume and value of the token itself. They want to partner with top-tier influencers and funding community giveaways that drive engagement and spread awareness of the Baby Shark. Direct advertisements via marketing campaigns. They want to buy digital ad space, commercials, hosting events. Pay developers to create value-adding products for Baby Shark, such as our own exchange. They want an arcade NFT marketplace. And then they want to brainstorm on other ideas that they can implement as well. So this is their complete roadmap as of right now. So Q2 we are currently in right now. They completed all of this right here. Q3 they're almost done with their goals here as well. You can see they completed almost all of them except for 3. So right now they're trying to create relationship with influencers who believe in the mission. They want to do some cross-token partnerships, Shark Week promotion campaign, and they want to sponsor a beach and ocean cleanup. And that is to be completed by Q3. Q4, we're going to have some additional audits, application process for charities and organizations to be considered, align the artists to create limited edition NFTs, development of the Baby Shark arcade, and by Q1 2022, we should be seeing the NFT marketplace and then the charity DeFi exchange. So let's take a look at the current statistics here. So as of June 23rd, we have 28,000 holders. This many tokens burned. 23,000 has been donated to charity already. That's a pretty good amount. Market cap is 7.8 million. And then liquidity is 1.1 million. So here are the coin market cap stats here. So fully diluted is 4 million. And then the last 24 hours there has been $11,000 worth of volume. This is the current chart here. So they did reach their whole all-time high on the 3rd of June. And then it kind of died down a lot here. 15th of June, they had a little bit of recovery. And now we're back to the May 25th levels here, where they were there. But the past 24 hours, it is up 21%. So this token is available on PancakeSwap as well as on BabySwap. And the neat thing about this project is you can actually stake your tokens here and earn some rewards. Instead of just keeping it in your wallet, you can actually earn some rewards here. If you are interested in purchasing the babyshark tokens, they do have instructions on their website here. And just to be clear, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. If you do choose to purchase this token, just be ready to just understand that cryptocurrencies are very volatile, and make sure you are ready to lose your entire investment. But the instructions are on their website. You just need to create a wallet, go to PancakeSwap, and then just exchange. Make sure you do set your slippage though to 8 to 10%. And you may have to mess with it a little bit more. Let me know what you think about this project in the comments below. I do think this is a very good project. It is trying to save the oceans through charity, donating to different charities that help the oceans and the sea life in general. But let me know if you are interested in this project in general. As this project does develop, I will be posting more videos about it and keeping up with it. So if you are interested in that type of content, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I also post other cryptocurrency projects and tokens, coins, cryptocurrency content in general. So make sure you subscribe for that. And thank you for watching the video.